here is 4 questions which we are going to solve. Our first question, put these numbers in order from smallest to largest: 9, -7, 6, -5, 3, 0, and we should use number line. Welcome back to the channel Math Jeep. Today we are tackling some fundamental math problems. Let's dive in and solve this together. So this is our first question and this is number line. So first we have to put each number. This is 9. Look, this is just positive number and it should right side. This is 9. Then -7. Here is -7. Then 6. Here is positive 6. Then -5. This is -5. Then 3 and then 0. So number line benefit is left side is negative, right side is positive, and origin start from 0. From left to right it will become smallest to largest, or right to left it will become largest to smallest. So we are saying so smallest to largest. Here is a random number. We don't understand which is large or small, but by number line we can easily write. Here is a topmost left, which is -7. This is the smallest. Then what? -5. Then 0. Then 3. Then 6 and finally 9. This is smallest to largest. Very easy and simple. So once you are facing these kinds of problem, you should use number line. So first question answer done. Second question, find the multiples of 9 that are less than 50. So we can write multiples 9 are. So we know number table of 9. So 9 times 1 equals to 9. Then 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 5 is 45. 9 times 6 54. This is not, it's not acceptable, or this is not acceptable. You can write acceptable. Why? Because that are less than 50. So 54 is more than 50. So also we can write like this: cannot use, because this 50 is what? Less than 54. So our answer is 9, 18, 27, 36 and 45, because here mention find the multiples of 9, which is these, that are less than 50. So we have to put up to 45. So number 2 done. Find the factors of 15. So for this question we have to maintain, to find the factors we look for pairs of numbers that multiply to 15, or we can say factors are the numbers that divide 15 exactly. It means, look, this is 15. which we can divide by 1 and 15 itself. It means 1 times 15. Then next we can divide 15 by 3 and we will get 5. 3 times 5 is a 15. So 4 is not possible. 5 already done. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to 15. So here is only 1, 3, 5 and 15. Answer 1, 3, 5, 15. Okay, very simple. And our last question in this video, work out 13 square minus 12 square. Write your answer as a square number. So what does mean? Look, 13 square equals to 13 times 13, it means 169, right? Then 12 square is a 12 times 12 is a 144. So 13 square minus 12 square, it means 169 minus 144, this is 25. Okay, 9 minus 4 is a 5, 6 minus 4 is a 2. So write your, this is our answer. Okay, this is our answer, but write your answer as a square numbers. Therefore 25 equals to 5 times 5 is a 25. It means 5 square, and this is our square number. Answer 5 square. Okay, so I hope you clear everything. If you have any question, please write a line in the comment section. And from now, Math Jeep will try to publish video every day 5 p.m. okay, and we are trying to solve basic math to advanced math. It means grade 5 to IGCSE level. So till then, take care, keep practice at home, and don't forget subscribe the channel and also click the bell button. Thank you.